Hindi lamang po pagpapakitang gilas, kundi tunay na laban ng puso at pangarap ang pinamalas po ng mga Filipino young athletes sa pagtatapos po ng ikatlong Vivo 3x3 Basketball Challenge. Mark De La Rosa sa detalye.
High-flying hoops at street ball swag. Yan ang ipinamalas ng mga tropa para sa matinding bakbakan sa court sa pagtatapos ng Vivo 3x3 Basketball Challenge. Isang laban na hindi lang tagisan ng galing, kundi laban ng puso't pangarap.
We really love basketball here in the Philippines. And Vivo recognizes yung passion, yung dedication, as well as the raw talents of the young Filipino athletes. We are giving them platform to really be good at something, especially on basketball.
Napabilib ang mga basketball enthusiast sa ipinakitang bangis sa court ng mga finalists sa men's and women's category. Sa ikatlong taon ng Vivo 3x3 Basketball Challenge, mas lalong lumalakas ang tinig ng kabataang manlalaro. Sa bawat dribble, fast break at shot, mas umihigting ang kanilang determinasyon na magiging susunod na idolo sa larangan ng basketball.
So all throughout the years, we've invited actually several NBA basketball players here. And this year, we're happy that we were able to invite Jeremy Sohan. He's actually really big right now for the Filipino young athletes.
Ang San Antonio Spurs power forward na si Jeremy Sohan, hanga sa diskarte at galawan ng mga Pilipino sa hard court. Nagbigay din siya ng pangmalakasang tips sa Pinoy players.
Don't skip steps. It's not always going to be easy. There's going to be a lot of ups and downs. But you want to be in those moments. You want to learn about yourself and figure it out as a human, as a player, and just have joy with it. That's the main thing.
Pero higit sa lahat, ang bawat sigaw ng crowd, suporta ng tropa, at huling segundo ng bakbakan ay nagpapakita ng tunay na diwa ng gilas, sportsmanship, at pagkakaibigan. Patunay na buhay ang industriya ng basketball, kaibigan. Patunay na buhay ang industriya ng basketball sa puso ng kabataang Pilipino.
I love the sport of 3x3 and joining the finals. A lot of pressure kasi it's win or go home. So we just want to compete at a high level, you know, because since I play professionally 3x3 abroad and locally, so you know, I just want to be able to showcase my talent 3x3 was.
You know, just always bring your A game every game. All these girls, everyone wants to win. So it's important that, you know, we all have fun at the end of the day and we are good and be good competitors.
Mark De La Rosa para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.